In today's world, smart devices are everywhere, and with smart plugs, you can make your regular household items smarter too. Whether you're looking to automate your lights, coffee makers, or fans, smart plugs can be a game changer. In this video, we'll review the 5 best smart plugs, focusing on their key features, ease of use, and overall performance. Stick around to find out which smart plug fits your needs best. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Wemo Mini Smart Plug. The Wemo Mini Smart Plug is one of the most compact and efficient smart plugs available today, offering seamless integration with popular voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. This plug lets you control your appliances remotely from anywhere. Its small size allows it to fit into tight spaces, and it has earned a solid reputation for reliability in everyday use. Key features. The Wemo Mini Smart Plug features a compact design that doesn't obstruct other outlets. It supports both 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks, providing fast connectivity. The device integrates easily with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, making voice control a breeze. The plug also allows for scheduling, enabling users to set timers and automate their appliances. Additionally, the plug features an energy monitoring function that tracks energy usage, making it ideal for keeping energy bills in check. Benefits and usage. One of the biggest benefits of the Wemo Mini Smart Plug is its ease of use. Setup is quick and simple via the Wemo app, and it integrates seamlessly with your existing smart home ecosystem. The ability to schedule and automate devices such as lamps, coffee makers, and fans can make your daily routines more convenient. With energy monitoring capabilities, this plug also helps you become more conscious of your energy consumption, which can lead to reduced electricity costs over time. Usability. The Wemo Mini Smart Plug is incredibly user-friendly. It can be controlled via the Wemo app, and its compatibility with major voice assistants means you can also use simple voice commands to turn devices on or off. The app interface is intuitive, making the setup and scheduling processes hassle-free. Even for those new to smart home products, the Wemo Mini provides a straightforward experience. Durability. Wemo is known for producing durable, high-quality smart home products, and the Mini Smart Plug is no exception. Its construction is solid, and it's designed to handle regular use without issues. It's made to last and comes with a 1-year warranty, ensuring long-term peace of mind. In the second spot, we have Wyze Plug. Wyze is known for offering high-quality smart devices at affordable prices, and the Wyze Plug is no different. This compact and feature-packed smart plug allows you to automate your appliances with ease. Whether you're looking to control your lights or your favorite household gadgets, the Wyze Plug offers a simple yet effective solution. Key features. The Wyze Plug is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control your devices with voice commands. It works with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and requires no hub for setup. The plug also features an energy monitoring function, allowing you to track usage directly from the Wyze app. You can schedule your devices to turn on or off automatically, set timers, and even create scenes for a more personalized experience. Benefits and usage. Wyze Plug stands out for its affordability without compromising on quality or functionality. You can control it remotely from the Wyze app, which is easy to navigate. Scheduling features make it convenient to automate appliances like lamps, fans, and even holiday decorations. Wyze Plug is perfect for people who want to build a smart home without spending too much money. It also helps reduce energy waste by offering energy monitoring, making it a budget-friendly choice for eco-conscious consumers. Usability. The setup process for the Wyze Plug is as simple as it gets. Download the Wyze app, connect the plug to your Wi-Fi network, and start using it in minutes. The app lets you control the plug remotely, create schedules, and monitor energy usage with ease. Voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant makes it even more convenient. Its compact design ensures it fits in tight spaces without blocking other outlets, making it ideal for any room in your home. Durability. Despite its affordable price, the Wyze Plug is built to last. It features high-quality materials that can withstand regular usage. The plug doesn't heat up even after prolonged use, which is a common issue with lower-quality smart plugs. Additionally, Wyze offers a 1-year warranty, giving you extra peace of mind regarding the product's durability. Coming in at number 3 is the Gosund Smart Plug. Gosund Smart Plug is another great option in the smart plug market. Known for its affordable pricing and reliable performance, Gosund offers a solid smart plug solution with great functionality. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, making it an excellent choice for those who want to integrate their devices into a smart home ecosystem. Key features: the Gosund Smart Plug features easy setup and remote control via the Gosund app. It connects to your Wi-Fi network without the need for an additional hub, and it's compatible with both Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. The plug also supports scheduling and timers, so you can automate devices to switch on or off at set times. Additionally, the Gosund Smart Plug has an energy monitoring feature to track usage, allowing you to optimize energy consumption. Benefits and usage: Gosund Smart Plug offers convenience and energy efficiency at an affordable price point. It is perfect for automating everyday devices like lamps, fans, coffee makers, and more. The scheduling feature allows for effortless automation of devices, ensuring that your appliances are only on when you need them. The energy monitoring feature helps track energy consumption, providing insight into how much power your devices are using. This plug is perfect for people who want to manage their energy usage without breaking the bank. Usability: setting up the Gosund Smart Plug is quick and straightforward. The plug connects to your Wi-Fi network directly through the Gosund app. The app interface is simple, allowing users to easily create schedules, timers, and monitor energy usage. Voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant adds another layer of convenience. Whether you're at home or away, you can control your devices remotely, making it perfect for automating and monitoring your home's energy usage. Durability: the Gosund Smart Plug is durable and built for long-term use. It's made with high-quality materials, and its compact design ensures it doesn't overheat during use. With a solid construction and reliable performance, it stands up well to everyday wear and tear. Additionally, Gosund provides excellent customer support and a 1-year warranty for added security. Taking our 4th spot is Wyze Energy Smart Plug. The Wyze Energy Smart Plug is a premium option for those looking to elevate their smart home setup. Known for its Apple HomeKit compatibility, it provides an exceptional experience for iOS users. Wyze Energy combines the power of automation with high-end features to help you control your devices with ease. Key features: Wyze Energy is compatible with Apple HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistant, providing multiple ways to control your devices. The plug works on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and requires no hub for setup. It also features energy monitoring, which helps you track the power consumption of your devices in real time. The Wyze Energy app offers advanced features like creating scenes and automating devices based on triggers such as time or location. Benefits and usage: the Wyze Energy Smart Plug is ideal for Apple users who want to take full advantage of the HomeKit ecosystem. It allows for remote control of your devices and offers energy consumption insights. This plug is perfect for users who want to monitor their energy usage and take steps to reduce their consumption. The scheduling and automation features also provide great flexibility, making it ideal for managing devices like lamps, space heaters, and coffee makers. Usability: Wyze Energy is incredibly easy to set up and use. Simply plug it in, connect to your Wi-Fi network, and start controlling it via the Wyze app. It works seamlessly with Apple's HomeKit, so users can set up voice control using Siri as well. The app interface is intuitive, and scheduling options are simple to set up. With support for Alexa and Google Assistant, this plug is also versatile for non-Apple users. Durability: Wyze Energy is built with high-quality materials that ensure it lasts for years. The plug's compact size and solid construction make it a reliable addition to your smart home. The build quality is excellent, and it performs well even after prolonged use. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, ensuring long-term reliability. And finally, at number 5, we have Belkin Wemo Insight. The Belkin Wemo Insight Smart Plug is another strong contender in the smart plug market. This device provides more than just remote control for your appliances. It also offers valuable insights into energy usage. With robust features and strong compatibility with popular voice assistants, this smart plug helps you manage your devices efficiently. Key features: the Wemo Insight Smart Plug allows users to control their devices remotely via the Wemo app. It integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. The standout feature of this plug is its energy monitoring, which tracks power usage and helps users identify which appliances consume the most energy. The plug also allows users to set schedules, automate devices, and create scenes to enhance the smart home experience. Benefits and usage. One of the key benefits of the Wemo Insight Smart Plug is its ability to help users monitor and reduce energy consumption. You can check the real-time power usage of devices through the app, giving you control over your energy bills. The scheduling features let you automate devices like lights, fans, and space heaters, and the voice control feature provides added convenience. With its energy insights and automation capabilities, the Wemo Insight Plug is ideal for anyone looking to optimize their home's energy efficiency. Usability. Using the Wemo Insight Smart Plug is straightforward. The setup is quick with the Wemo app, and users can easily create schedules and timers for devices. Voice control works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for hands-free operation. The app interface is intuitive, making it easy to monitor energy usage and automate devices with just a few taps. Durability. The Wemo Insight Smart Plug is well-built and durable. It's designed to withstand regular use without overheating or malfunctioning. Its compact design ensures it won't block adjacent outlets, making it practical for any setup. Belkin's reputation for quality is evident in this plug, and it comes with a 1-year warranty for additional peace of mind. That concludes our roundup of the best smart plugs on the market today. Whether you're looking for energy monitoring, voice control, or simple automation, these smart plugs offer great functionality. Each one has its unique strengths, so make sure to pick the one that fits your needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.